What's up, guys? Back here working on the E46 M3. We're gonna be, we just removed the transmission and we're doing a clutch job. So now we're gonna remove the clutch and the flywheel. First thing you wanna do is remove these 6 clutch plate bolts. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what you want to do, get yourself H6, like a hex socket, number 6, and that's going to be the size you're going to use to remove the bolts, the 6 bolts around the flywheel, pressure plate. So you kind of want to break each of them loose, and then I'll go ahead and use. So we got all of those cracked, and now I'm just gonna use a ratchet to remove the rest. So we got 5, and the last one is about to come out right now. Just get my ratchet in there. So now I'm just gonna be pulling, like prying the fly, prying the plate, the pressure plate in. On the down pins.
Exotic on the track.
Alright guys, so now that we got the clutch and the pressure plate removed, we want to remove the flywheel by taking off the flywheel bolts. There's 8 of them, so there's 8 flywheel bolts. Usually you need like a flywheel holder to remove the bolts. They're all 19 millimeter, but if you have a pry bar and you take it and kind of wedge it in between 2 of the bolts, you'll have kind of like a leverage so the flywheel won't turn on you while you're removing them. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my 19. Hopefully I won't need a breaker bar for this. I might, but I'm gonna just go ahead and just hit it with my gun.
Mike on the track.
Coming in looking closer at the flywheel, you see a lot of heat dissipation marks, you know? So you got some of those. You got a lot on the pressure plate also. And the clutch, clutch isn't bad, but it's worn out. It's very worn out. Pressure plate side, you can see it has no where the lines used to be. It's just plain old worn down. The other side isn't as bad. Like flywheel side isn't as bad, but still getting there. Now that we got the flywheel removed, we're gonna change out this rear main seal and the pilot bearing before we put the brand new clutch in.